This is V from A Canadian RVer. What I'm doing in this video is just coming back and checking the dB on my AC silencer. I'm going to do the when I did the install, I was so excited about the install, I didn't do a very good dB test. So now what I'd like to do is do it systematically. Right now the unit is off and it is not running, the covers are on. So let's do a dB test in the room. I'll stop talking and we can see it. So there we are, about 45 dB. Now I'm going to remove the covers. Now what I've done is I've removed the cover and I removed the electrostatic filter that goes right up in there. So that's where the air is sucked up into the unit and it would come down right in there, but now the quick return is taped off and batted. So I use all my vents that I have all through the coach, and that's how I get the air conditioning back into the coach. So not to be mistaken that this unit is just taped up and it will seal itself. No, it goes through all of the ducts. All right, so now let me start at the unit, and as we're here, I also have an app that I can control all my AC units. And there's the back bedroom unit, just came up on my phone. That's a Dometic Bluetooth thermostat, and it should trigger on right now. So there's the unit is running with just with the air. The compressor hasn't started yet. We'll wait for the compressor. There it is, the compressor is running now also. So let's do a dB test. I'll stop talking in a minute and we'll put it right here in the air intake. What I'll be doing right now is putting back the electrostatic filter, and there's 4 screws that hold that on. And next I'll be putting on the white cover that goes over everything. Now what I'm showing right here is the frequency, and you can see where the lower and the middle of the frequency band as it drops off to the high frequencies, because the cover seemed to deaden a lot of the sound on it. And I'll move away. You can see it drops a little bit from especially the moderate to the middle frequencies. And I'll do it a few times just to see the results. Now I'm taking it back up to the actual air unit, and you can see the frequencies start to come up a little bit. So I think it's not just all about dB, but harmonics have a big part to play in this also. Also, what I've done is I've moved to the front AC unit, which I've never done a dB test on or a frequency test, but I think it's pretty well the same as what the bedroom unit was, and this air unit is full on running with the compressor. Now I'll switch over to the frequency chart, and you can see quite the same. The middle frequencies are a little higher. The very low frequencies are bouncing around there, but the high frequencies look very similar. Now, as I move away, you can see the change, and what I'm doing right now is walking back to the place where we sit to watch TV, and you can see the harmonics are muchly reduced, both. And I'll do a dB test back here, so you see it's like 56, 57 dB. And we'll take another walk up, and we'll see what it looks like. What I've also done right here is I've just turned on what they call hold peak, I guess. And I'm walking from our TV area to where the front unit is, and you can see the harmonics. The green part is actually what the increase is. It's pretty cool to be able to see the difference and the harmonics. So I hope this has given you a little more insight into it. I tried to be as straightforward. Again, this product is not sponsored and is not paid for. I paid for it myself, but I do like the product, so I'm totally supporting it. This is V from A Canadian RVer. We hope you've enjoyed the video. Please leave some comments if you see that there's anything else I can do to test it. But please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and this is V from A Canadian RVer. We will see you in the next video.